besides that, nobody I trust.
Back again like I never left. Young Sinai said that's to the death. We turned up till we go deaf. Rap pop till my last breath. I cut records like Kid Cudi. Day and night, that's all the time. From the underground to the mainstream, my same team get all the shine. They wanna be.
So I asked my wife the other day, have I turned into more of a douchebag owning this car right here? I'm gonna go with yes. I have. And apologize. Alright guys, before we start this video, let's get the likes up. I want to get 100 likes. At least 100 likes. Or over at least 10 likes. So go ahead and smash the like button, and because those really help me out, especially for my channel, and I appreciate it, guys. And if you guys are new to the channel, smash the sub button and become part of the family, and don't forget to tap the little notification bell so you guys know when my videos are live. And yeah, let's get into it. What's up, everyone? Welcome to my channel. So today we're outside going for a cruise with the kid today. You know, I decided I'm gonna skip the car meet, Friday night car meet. So we're just hanging out with my son. The Charger is looking clean and mean. I didn't wash it, dude, and it's like, it's clean. Maybe the rear end's not as clean, but the front, at least the front, pretty clean. We're in this little area here. We're not doing anything crazy because I've got my kid with me, but it's a fun little area I usually come to. There he is. He's hanging out. My car's a bloody mess, but don't mind that. It's dad life. Rear end's still looking good. Some lady was literally just shining her lights at me, like, for some odd reason. I really don't know why. Probably because of the wrap. I'm like, what? Literally, I should sat there flashing the lights for like a couple miles behind me. So I turned off. Then she stopped. She realized, yeah, my lights are working. Some people just don't know. Alright guys, we're gonna get to the video now. So, welcome. So let's get into it. Today's video, we're talking about why I chose the Dodge Charger over the Dodge Challenger. So, and I test drove the Challenger, and you know, I really liked it, to be honest. Great car. Now, the reasons I love the Charger so freaking much, guys, is because it's not really rare car in a sense, but like around where I live, a lot of people just have the V6s. So like a lot of people, like I really like the four-door aspect of the muscle car. Cause a lot of people, you know, like the old people especially, they like the old classic two-door Challenger, which is an awesome car. Like I freaking love it. Like Dukes of Hazzard, like definitely brings me back to those days. And even though I wasn't really around, obviously, when that Charger was first made, but I mean, I would love to own one, and it was an awesome era. But now we're in a new era. We're in the golden age era of brand new performance muscle, and I think it's great that they adapted and put it in the four-door so you can have fun with the family as well. So that's the other reason why I chose the Charger over a Dodge Challenger. So, and some people say they're louder, and you know, I think they sound roughly the same. Like, I have this thing on, but I feel like they sound roughly around the same, to be honest. But I mean, it's a great car, and it looks different. The Challenger's always stayed the same body style, you know, different quirks here and there, but they've always stayed the exact same. So, and that's why, another reason why I went the Charger is because they change it. They always change it from, I mean, I think this is the best style Charger I've ever seen that they've made so far. I mean, I was a huge fan of the 2012s and up. I really like that kind of body style when I first got into liking the Chargers. And then when this thing came out, I was like, oh man, I gotta get me one day. So, and then I got the Camaro, and then this. So, I mean, it was probably luck in a sense, I guess. I got T-boned, but but yeah, that's one of the reasons I like it. And you know, it's in a sense it's a sleeper. Nobody knows. There's so many V6 Chargers. It's insane. And don't get me wrong, they still look nice. Some of them sound nice. You know, good for you. It's still a great car. But like, you know, a lot of people don't know. Like, someone want to roll up and try and race me thinking it's a V6. Well, I got 500 horses right under my head, so they're not going to know that, right? So that's another reason why I chose it, is because, you know, they don't know. Unless you know what a Scat Pack is, then you don't know, you know? Because this thing's got 392, 6.4 liter V8, pushes about 490, so 500 horse, and she really rips, like, fast. Like, for a 4-door, heavy car, she freaking rips. I've never been in a faster car, to be honest. My Camaro, 5th gen, was fast, 425, handled really well around corners. This thing doesn't handle so much around corners, but pulls like a motherfucker. So, and she fast, like, no joke. And my Camaro couldn't even barely spin the tires most of the time. This thing spins the tires like no problem. And I love the torque. So, alright guys, so now that I've explained some of the reasons why I chose the Charger over the Challenger, obviously. And guys, if I did buy a Challenger, it would have to be the Hellcat. I don't think I would ever get a Hellcat in the Charger body style. I don't know, just for me, I think if I were to get a Hellcat, I'd have to go all in, get the coupe, you know, get the whole shebang, have a look classy and classic. So, you know, Challenger kind of still looks like the classic muscle car. She does, so, and it's nice. So, we're gonna go ahead and get back in the car and keep talking more about this discussion. And then I'm gonna go ahead and rev the engine before I get in, so you guys can hear what it sounds like out here with the new camera. Let me tell you guys, that thing, she is stank K. So another thing, why I obviously chose this car over Challenger is I just like the amount of room this thing has compared to the Challenger. I have a kid, I got a family, I like to have a lot of room, and yeah, don't get me wrong, you can fit a kid in the Challenger, no freaking problem. A lot of still spacious, but you know, I can fit my family, whole family. I can fit my friends in here. You're tall, you can fit in here. You're big, you can fit in here. No problem. I can fit an elephant in here if I wanted to. You know, it's it's really no problem. And I just really love the way these seats look with the Scat Pack B on it. I think that is a nice little touch about this car. And yeah, we're gonna be doing a 5 things I hate about this car, and it's so hard. Like, I don't really hate anything about this car at all. This car is absolutely amazing so far, and I'm gonna be doing a 30,000 mile review for just after my oil change, and like, it's just so hard to hate on this car. And yeah, and if they do hate, I don't really care. I got 490 horses under this hood, and so you can hate on me all you want. Most people, when they hate, it's because they don't own something like this, and they're jealous. So that's why people hate. But you know, anyhow, guys. So that's my little discussion of why I chose this car, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it And if you guys own a Dodge Charger, I want to hear your guys' thoughts of why you love your car, and you know, what's one of the reasons why you got the Charger instead of the Challenger. Comment that right below, and don't forget to smash the like button here, guys. Let's get the likes up and get those comments going, guys, because the likes really help me out, and also comment too. And if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, guys, and hit that little notification bell so you guys can see when my next videos are live. Lots more stuff coming. Mods are in the mail, so I'm waiting for that to come in. So, and I'm actually meeting up with my friend for some more mods that he had in his Hellcat Charger, which I'm going to be hopefully putting in this thing. So that's cool. And yeah, guys, it's been an amazing ride. All right, my son has insisted that I rev the vehicle, because. All right, let's get it. Ooh, she's squirrely. All right, guys, so that's really it. I'm gonna go ahead, finish my little cruise on. I don't really want to hold the camera while I drive my son in the car, because that's a little distracting and unsafe. And you know, I like unsafe things, but not putting my kid at risk is one of the things I'm not gonna do. And like I said, guys, smash that like button. Let's get those likes up, and subscribe to the channel. And what do you think? What do you think, kiddo? You got anything to say? All right, he said subscribe and smash those like buttons, guys. And yeah, I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.